In today's video, I'll teach you how to drop item in Roblox Mobile. First of all, open the Roblox Mobile. After you do that, simply open the game in which you can drop the item. I've already done it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, right now I'm holding the item. So if you want to drop the item, it is actually very simple. Look at bottom. You'll be able to see the inventory list over here. You'll be able to see all the items that you've picked from the inventory. Also, you'll be able to see the item that you've selected right now. The item that you've selected will be holded by the character in your game. So if you want to drop that item, what you have to do is simply tap and hold on that item. Now after you do that, it will be dropped. So like this, you'll be able to drop it. If you want to hold the item, simply tap on the item again. Now after you do that, the item will be held. If you want to drop it, simply tap on it again and the item will be dropped. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you drop item in Roblox Mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.